Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card and the HDFC Millenia credit card. I'll be walking you through a full overview, detailed feature by feature comparison, and we'll talk about the fees, the perks, and some honest pros and cons. At the end of the video, you'll be able to decide which card is best for you. Let's get started. The Amazon Pay ICICI credit card is a co-branded credit card by ICICI Bank and Amazon, and it's designed for heavy Amazon users and frequent online shoppers. The best part is that it's a lifetime free card. Yes, zero joining or annual fees. It runs on the Visa platform and is accepted worldwide. But what really makes this card stand out is its deep integration with Amazon Pay, meaning you're not just earning points, you're earning Amazon Pay balance, which can be used across hundreds of partner platforms. On the other hand, we have the HDFC Millenia credit card. It's a reward-heavy card for the modern urban spender. If you frequently shop on Amazon, Flipkart, you book tickets on IRCTC, dine out, or use services like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, and PayZapp, this card rewards you across the board. It offers cashback as direct statement credits and makes it super easy to redeem. So essentially, the Amazon Pay ICICI is perfect if you're deep into the Amazon's ecosystem and you want a no-fee card, while the Millenia is better suited for diversified spending with higher cashbacks but does come with an annual fee. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. We start with the Amazon Pay ICICI. As mentioned earlier, it is lifetime free, no joining or annual fees. As for cashback, you earn 5% cashback on Amazon for Prime members, you earn 3% for non-Prime members, and you earn 2% with over 100 merchants via Amazon Pay. And what happens to all your cashback? It is automatically converted into Amazon Pay balance. So it will be credited to your Amazon account in the form of Amazon Pay balance at the end of the billing cycle. This card is accepted internationally. It comes with a Visa Platinum platform. You also get a 1% fuel surcharge waiver for all purchases. You get dining discounts with culinary treats program. And another good thing about the rewards is that there are no caps. It is unlimited cashback with no expiry. For eligible customers, the approval and virtual card issuance is almost instant. Now let us hop onto the HDFC Millenia credit card. This card is also cashback oriented. You earn up to 5% on Amazon, Book My Show, Cult.fit, Flipkart, Myntra, Sony, Swiggy, Uber, Zomato, and others. And you earn 1% cashback on all other spends. You also get 1,000 rupees worth gift vouchers on spends of 1 lakh and above in each calendar quarter. And you get 10% additional discount on Swiggy Dineouts when you use a particular coupon code on the website. Additional features include zero lost card liability, an interest-free credit period of up to 50 days, revolving credits, and exclusive dining privileges. They also offer the fuel surcharge waiver of 1% fuel surcharge waiver at all fuel stations across India. The transactions range between 400 rupees and 5,000 rupees. You can also get a maximum waiver of 250 rupees per statement cycle. They also offer a smart EMI option, which means they convert large purchases into EMIs directly. Now let us talk about the pricing of both cards. For the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, there is no joining fee, no annual fees. It's a lifetime free card. For ATM withdrawals, you get 3.75% interest per month. You also get charged for late bill payments. And to apply, you need to be an Indian citizen over 21 years of age. How about the HDFC Millenia credit card? The joining fees is 1,000 rupees plus taxes. There's also an annual fee of 1,000 rupees plus taxes every year, but it gets waived if you spend up to 1 lakh or more in a year. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both cards? We start with the pros. For Amazon Pay, it is a lifetime free card. High rewards for Amazon Prime users. No cap or expiry on cashback. And it's a seamless cashback credits into the Amazon Pay wallet. And the pros of the HDFC Millenia card? Broad cashback coverage including food delivery, shopping, and more. Cashback is also given as direct statement credits, and the Smart EMI feature is handy for big ticket purchases. How about the cons? For Amazon Pay, the cashback is mostly tied to Amazon Pay usage. There are lesser rewards for non-Amazon spending, and there are no airport lounge access or lifestyle perks. And for the HDFC Millenia card, the annual fee is high unless you're a high spender and the spend milestone is met, and the cashback has a monthly cap. So what's the verdict? Which of these two cards comes out on top in 2025? Well, if you're someone who is already an Amazon Prime member and you do a lot of online shopping on Amazon and you use Amazon Pay across services, the Amazon Pay ICICI card is a no-brainer. It's simple, it's free, it offers great value through Amazon Pay balance, and it doesn't come with the pressure of hitting any spend milestones. However, if your lifestyle involves a bit of everything from shopping from Flipkart and Amazon, ordering from Zomato or Swiggy, you book cabs or you buy movie tickets, the HDFC Millenia card will reward you more generously across these categories. Yes, it comes with a high annual fee, but if you're spending up to 1 lakh or more annually, then the fee gets waived and the benefits can outweigh the costs quite easily. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Flipkart Access Bank Credit Card, SBI Cashback Card, and ICICI Coral Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.